Many functions continued. In the previous video, we saw how to write many functions in the code. Because it is a completely new topic, we are going to see some more examples. Shall we start writing many functions again? In our next example, we are going to write two functions. One function with an if-else condition and the next function to do addition. Okay? Let us imagine that you're going to a science exhibition with your friends. There is an age limit to attend the science exhibition, and only if you are about 10 years old, you will be allowed to attend. So, we shall write our first function with an if-else condition to check if you are eligible to attend the science exhibition. Let us go to Python and write our first function. We write def word and write the name of the function as age underscore check. Then put open and close brackets and end the statement with the colon. Press enter and Python already gives us the tab space. So after that, we create a variable called age and put a value. Here, I'm going to put your age as 12. We know very well how to write an if-else condition. So we shall write it here inside the function. Press enter and write the if condition. So we write if age greater than operator, write 10 and put a colon. Now press enter. Python will give you another tab space. So after that, write a print statement. We write print, put open bracket and close bracket. Then we put two single quotes. Then we write you are allowed inside the single quotes. Press enter and write else and put a colon. Then press enter again and write print, open and close brackets first and then put two single quotes inside brackets and now write you are not allowed inside the single quotes. Okay, we have written our first function to check the age. Now let us write our second function to calculate the total cost to attend the science exhibition. The total cost would be the addition of the entry ticket and travel cost. Now let us write def word and give the name of the function as calculate underscore cost. Put open bracket, close bracket and put colon. Press enter and create a variable entry underscore ticket. The cost of the ticket is 10. So we put the value 10 and press enter again and create another variable travel underscore cost and put the value 25. Now press enter and write total underscore cost is equal to entry underscore ticket plus travel underscore cost. Press enter again and write print open bracket and close bracket. Inside the bracket, write total underscore cost. Now we have written two functions and let us call the functions one by one to get the output. To call the first function, press enter and delete the tab space and write age underscore check open bracket close bracket. Save the file and run the code. The output is printed as you are allowed. Now let us call the other function, shall we? Press enter and now we would write calculate underscore cost open bracket close bracket. Save the file and run the code. The output is printed as you are allowed and 35, which means you are allowed to the science exhibition and the total cost to attend the exhibition would be 35. Do you understand how to write many functions now? I hope you very well understand now how to write as many functions we like in our code. See you all again in another interesting video. Bye bye.